iPadOS 16 Beta 1's just been released. And you're probably wondering, like, how do I download it? Well, let me show you. Step one is to back up your device. Just in case anything happens, you want to be sure. So make sure you back it up. And to do this, you tap on settings, you tap on your profile here, tap on iCloud, then iCloud backup, and make sure your iPad has been backed up recently. If not, make sure you tap backup now, or make sure this is on as well. Step two is to download the iPadOS developer beta profile. And to do this, you go to Safari, then you go to betaprofiles.com. The link will be in the description below. This is completely free, by the way. You scroll down here and you tap on iPadOS. Now for now, it says iPadOS 15 because as of recording this video, iOS 16 beta is not yet out, but go ahead and tap on iPadOS and then it'll take you here. It'll give you a couple of options. You want to go and tap install profile, install anyways after you've read the warnings. Then you tap allow, you tap close, and we're going to go back to settings here. And then you have this new menu here, which is profile downloaded. You want to tap on it, tap install, put in your passcode, and then there's a bunch of information that you want to read if you want to. Tap on install, install again, and then you're going to restart your device. And so now once your device is restarted, just put in your passcode and everything. And for step three, we want to go ahead and install the update now. So you go to settings, you tap on general, software update, wait a second, and you should have iOS 16 developer beta show up here. As I said before, I'm recording this before dub, so of course it says iOS 15. But you go ahead and tap download and install, put in your passcode, and wait about an hour, give or take, and you should have iPadOS 16 installed, all good to go. And I guess step four is enjoy the beta, enjoy the bugs, enjoy the features, and hopefully it's not too buggy for you. Oh, and before you go ahead and install it or do anything, check out this video that I made. It gives you guys 5 reasons why you shouldn't download iPadOS 16 right now. It could save your life or your iPad's life, so your life depends on it. So you should definitely go check it out. Do it. What are you doing? Just click it. Why are you still here? You're just making a fool of yourself. No, seriously. Now go click it. Stop looking at me. See you later. My days.